Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Today is an exciting day. It's a palette that I've been wanting for a long time, very long time, since it came out actually. And Glambot came through for me. The only problem I had was that when that palette was available, there was so much I wanted to get that became available all at the same time. So I'm assuming it all came in from one person, that I would have had to spend at least $500 US. I couldn't do that. I didn't even spend $100 US or even 100 Canadian dollars on that Glambot order. I had to restrict myself, and even then that was pushing it. Yes, I'm poor. I had to restrict myself really badly, and after taxes and all that, it cost me $55 US. Now, it wasn't only this palette that was in there. I had a few other things. I don't remember what. Two of those things are in front of me, so yes, I do remember that. I'd have to go check the order history, but I finally got it. I finally got it. I finally got it. I finally got it. I have everything I need from Natasha Denona. Maybe. Maybe a quint. Okay, maybe a quint. So let's get started. I have to show you. I have not swatched or done anything with this palette. I mean, I think a couple of shimmers were swatched. A nail got dug into one of the mattes, and that's pretty much it. It's pristine. I did, as soon as I got it, took out the alcohol spray and sprayed it and let it dry overnight and put it away, and then another night sprayed it one more time. That's just what I do. Paranoid maybe? Sure. Maybe do I need to be? That's debatable. We've got both schools of thought on that. Why take a chance, right? If I can do it, why not? It's like cleaning your toilet. It looks clean, but is it really? You know? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, my brain works in mysterious ways. Before we go into the colors of this, this is the first day I am trying my firming collagen under eye cream. Eye cream? Under eye cream? Multi-balm. Okay, I just put it under my eyes. I have not put concealer on yet. It's still, I'll call it tacky, but as you, if you can see, I think my light's a bit bright. I think that might be better. Okay, I touched it and it kind of mattified a little bit. I want to wait until pretty much everything is done. The semi-last thing that I will do is my concealer, and I'm going to use my Innisfree. My base is my Dior Backstage because it's in my, I'll call it project. I used my Marc Jacobs bronzer, and I used my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk for my blush. And I used my Dior Backstage in the champagne color for my highlight. I used ABH brow. I don't know which video is going to come up first, but I used my mini ABH. And I did use a little bit of my e.l.f., but that was for my tail, because I really couldn't do much with the ABH on my tail because I was shaking too much. But if you see any little black dots, that's the e.l.f. stick of wax. That's what it is. Okay, now, I have no idea what I'm going to do. I'm not going to swatch the whole palette. I just want to swatch a couple of shades to see what I'm going to use, because I have never gotten my hands on this. I have the mini Glam, but it's not the same. It's not the same shades. I want this one for sure. definitely want that one. Okay, let me start with, so I'm going to do crease for sure. Inner corner. Why do they call that one center eyelid and outer eyelid? Now, center eyelid is going to be center eyelid for me. Why? Because I can. I am going to start with my E28 and with the grayish crease color. And I'm going to try very hard not to go down. That's why I kind of tilted the camera a little bit. I don't know how that's going to work, but let's pray it works fine. And I did put an eyeshadow primer. It is my new About Face. It's not it's not opaque. Okay, I don't know. I don't know why. I finally have the proper tool and I don't know how to use it. Meantime, when I was using my Delium tool, it was fine. Maybe because I'm too excited to have my E28. Because this one is my E28. Please tell me I'm in the frame. I need a monitor. But who's got money for a monitor? The small, I don't want a big one. And the smallest I can find on Amazon is about 120 bucks. I just got a hydro bill. So it's 600 bucks. So that's gonna have to wait. I've tried to connect my camera to my tablet. It's technically supposed to be able to connect. And I don't know if, I probably don't anymore because I had to, my tablet crashed. It's not young. It's at least 5-6 years old. But anyway, it crashed and I had to reset everything. So I'm still trying to enter stuff. But anyway, I had the software in there to be able to do it, but for some reason they were not talking to each other, even though they're supposed to be able to. Which would be perfect. If I could do that with my tablet, then maybe by Christmas I could get just a stand for my tablet instead of a monitor. I'd put my tablet somewhere here so I could see, but that would be cool if I could do that. I don't need a monitor. My tablet is big enough. It's not an iPad, it's a Samsung. I'm a Samsung girl. I'm going to one that says stroke. I think it says stroke, whatever it is. And I'm going to take my E27 and I'm going to try this. Oh, I did such a good job with my E28 that I've got a gap. I am not going to swoop it. I don't know why, I'm just not. I'm not an artist like Rose or my girls, so I'm just winging it. Not literally. I noticed that. I can't believe these colors. I mean, I love my mini, which of course I don't use anything often enough. But I'm in seventh heaven right now. I haven't watched Kelly Gooch in a long time. I don't know why, but I used to watch her religiously, but for some reason I just stopped. But for some reason I watched her video yesterday, which was about dupes and how since drugstores have been duping so much, the prices at the drugstore have gone stupid. And all I wanted to say was, why do you think I don't buy much drugstore? She even said she was trying out, if you guys, I'll try to remember to put the video down, but she was showing us her using this foundation, which in the US is $22 and here it's $28 when it's not on sale. And then she said the REM no, not the REM. She said the About Face foundation was $30 or $20 or $22. Something like that. The discrepancy was minimal. I have not checked. I will put it down here. I have not checked what the price is in Canada. But it's supposed to be coming at my drugstore. I know that Shoppers Drug Mart has it available on their website, but they don't have it at my store yet. And it's supposed to come. The girl I was talking to said that they had the display waiting for the product. I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited. Okay, so the one that says center eyelid, which is no longer there because I guess it got smushed. Oh, right, because I keep putting my hand on the desk. And this is sliding on so well. I don't have, it's not tacky. Like this is a new palette. Somebody decided to go through all the makeup and get rid of everything. That's because the stuff on that day on the website, I had never seen half of it there. There was some GOLAN in there. There was another palette that I wanted. The Safari palette was there. There was a Biba palette. It was insane. It was insane. I am going to use the one that is called Inner Corner. It looks like it's got a bit of champagne in it. I don't want to put that underneath yet because I don't have any concealer yet. And it looks like it's dried off a little bit more, so I am hoping that it will help with my concealer application, because I put serum down and it's just like it sucks everything up and boom, it's dry. In the meantime, I've got oily skin. Don't get old, people. Don't get old. Okay, looks like it's done something. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I'm flabbergasted. And that's just a cheap no-name one. Imagine if I spent the money on the Kahi. It's almost 35 bucks. This is like, I gotta keep trying it out. It feels like there's quite a bit in here. But, oh, wow. I gotta keep trying it. Do you guys see that? I'm back. The camera timed out, so I just figured I'll finish. Everything on my eyes is from this palette. You think I've got eyeliner on? No. It's from this palette. So, what did I use today without blinding everybody? I used this one. I used this one. I used this and this and this. I used 5 shadows. I gotta make room for it. Oops. Alright, now here's something else that's new. Nude Truffle from NYX. You go to the drugstore nowadays, and if you can find them in the drugstore, they're $15. Yeah. You go online and they're $8. So yeah. I had a balm. I'm almost finished a balm, so I can switch it out soon, I hope. But okay. It looks a lot like the one I have from Wayne Goss. Okay. Not coming off on my lips. Starting to wonder what the appeal of the NYX lip liners. This is, I believe, my very first NYX lip liner. Nude Truffle. My Ilia. I gotta finish this. Okay, how does lipstick do that? I did not feel any dry patches because I had the balm for at least an hour on. Now all of a sudden, big dry patch. Under eyes are still tacky. I'm okay with that. If it doesn't crease or anything, I'm good. I am good. Maybe before I take it off later, I will try and tap on some powder. Maybe add a little bit extra concealer and tap on some powder, because we all know how I feel about powder. So hopefully I can use this 2 or 3 more times today. That'll help bring it down a little bit. So far, yeah. But how often has that happened where I go, yeah, and a week later I'm going, no touchy. A lot. So, oh, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. And I like being able to put that super rounded, like, really? This. And what I was doing, if you've got a Delium brush like this, which is a mystery number, yeah, 785. If you've got this, you can use the side just like the 28. It's brilliant. Up and tap. No swipey. Swipey, no swipey. Tap. Just tap, 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 tap. And this, under the eye, wow. Look in my eyes. I almost look like an artist. I almost look like a makeup artist and know what I'm doing. I can't believe I got, this was $39 US, which is, we'll say about 47 Canadian, approximately. That's half price. And all except one, the nude. I need a nude palette. I paid full price. All the others I got half price. No, all the others, like I've got what, 3, 4 more? No, I Need a Nude was the only one I bought at full price, and half price, brand new, felt perfect. They did exactly what they were supposed to do, and I'm babbling like crazy. Thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.